of dealing with stubborn earwax? In this video, we will guide you through effective methods and provide you with helpful tips for earwax removal. Let's get started. Method 1. Olive oil. To begin, warm up a small amount of olive oil and gently apply it to your ear canal. This will soften the earwax, making it easier to remove. Leave it in for a few minutes, then tilt your head to allow the oil and wax to drain out. Method 2. Hydrogen peroxide. For this method, dilute hydrogen peroxide with equal parts of water. Using a dropper, carefully apply the mixture into your ear canal. It will create a bubbling sensation as it breaks down the wax. After a few minutes, tilt your head to let the solution drain out. Method 3. Ear drops. Over-the-counter ear drops can also be effective in removing earwax. Follow the instructions on the packaging and apply the drops as directed. These drops will break down the wax, allowing it to naturally come out of your ear. Method 4. Ear irrigation. Using a bulb syringe or an ear irrigator kit, gently flush warm water into your ear canal. This will dislodge the wax and flush it out. Be sure to use only lukewarm water to avoid discomfort or injury to your ear. Method 5. Seek medical help. If none of these methods work or if you experience persistent earwax buildup, it's important to seek medical assistance. A healthcare professional can safely remove the wax using specialized tools and techniques. Remember to avoid using cotton swabs or other objects to remove earwax, as they can push it further into your ear or cause damage. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to earwax removal. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.